Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video, this video is specifically for the ladies. This is a simple and very effective remedy. It's a tea I'll be sharing with you to help reduce menstrual cramps. I know a lot of ladies have this issue, so I'm here to give you a permanent solution to that problem. But first, if this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share it with your friends and loved ones and give this video a huge thumbs up. The first ingredient you need for this remedy is chamomile flower. Chamomile flower contains so many vitamins and minerals. Chamomile flower is an ancient recipe that helps to get rid of menstrual cramps. It's been available for ages and it's very effective. Chamomile flower contains so many antioxidants and active agents that reduces menstrual cramps and gradually gets rid of it completely. So the next ingredient we'll need is hot water to make the tea, and this together is going to speed up metabolism in the body and is also going to help in digestion and is going to stimulate circulation around the body. So let's just go ahead and make this amazing tea. To prepare this tea, we'll prepare it in a bowl, then we transfer it to our tea mug, and this is the quantity of water I'll be using. This is just about almost full, so this is just the quantity I'll need for this tea. So we're pouring our hot water into the bowl. Then we'll take a tablespoon of the chamomile flower, add it to our bowl, then we'll mix this all in. As you can see, the color is already changing. So after stirring this up, we'll allow this to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we go ahead and strain out the flour and our tea is ready. So now we'll just strain the leaves out and we'll drink our tea. So guys, our tea is ready. You take this tea twice in a week because you don't have to consume so much of it. Take it just twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks. If you're consistent with this, eventually when your cycle comes, you will notice that your cramps have reduced greatly. And if you're religious about this, you don't have to just drink it every day. No, you don't drink this every day. You take it like twice in a week. You continue for about 3 weeks, then you take a break. With time, you can increase the number of times you take this tea. It's just a gradual process. So this one, you take it twice in a week, and in 3 weeks you take a break. So when you have noticed that your cramps has reduced, and if you're not still comfortable with the way it is, you can go ahead and take it, but make sure to take it in small quantity, not too much. Just this quantity is okay. As you can see, not too much. This quantity is very okay. If you wish to spice it up a little bit, you can just add in some slices of ginger to spice up your tea a bit, but this is what you just need to get rid of your menstrual cramps. So guys, go ahead and try this. Ladies, try this and come back, share with me your experience. Let me know how it turned out. Drop your comments in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends and loved ones, because you wouldn't know who might desperately be needing this simple and very effective tea. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Turn on the notification bell, and this is it guys. I'll see you in my next video.